Never heard of the Skoda Elroq? You're missing out on what could be the game-changing electric SUV of 2025. Let me explain why it's more than just another EV. The 2025 Skoda Elroq is Skoda's answer to the electric compact SUV market, designed to replace the Karoq. But this isn't just a typical swap. The Elroq is built on Skoda's brand new modern solid design language. Its sleek front, featuring the glossy black tech deck face instead of a traditional grille, gives it a futuristic look. Plus, with a drag coefficient of just 0.26, it's built for speed and efficiency. Now, let's talk performance. You've got 3 battery options here, but the Elroq 85 is the standout, delivering over 560 kilometers on a single charge. That's road trip level range. And when you need a quick charge, you can go from 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes at up to 175 kilowatts for the larger batteries. Pretty fast, right? Inside, it's not just about eco-friendly materials, it's about space. With 470 liters of boot space, expanding to 1,580 liters with the rear seats down, it's perfect for families or road trips. Add in a massive 13-inch infotainment screen and up to 9 airbags, and it's safe, smart, and stylish. The best part? Prices start at around 33,000 euros in Europe. Deliveries are expected in early 2025, but orders are already open. So, if you're considering an EV, this might be the one. Curious about how it compares to other electric SUVs? Watch the next video to find out.